Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days. In this video you are going to learn how to create live search using React.js, and we will be using React hooks for this. So live search, as you know, when user types in something in the text box, then instantly result shows below the search box. So we will be creating this using React.js. So let's see with practical example. First, let's open command prompt and create a new project. In my case, I normally work on D drive. CD React.js class, then npx create React app live search 1, because later I'm going to use another live search which will be based on real life database API. This one I'm going to use without uh, database API. That's why I'm naming it as live search 1. In the meantime, let's open Visual Studio Code as well. Close folder, and then open folder, V drive. Now React class, React.js class, this one, and then live search. This is the project. Oh, not this one. Okay, so live search is still being downloaded. Let's do one thing. Close folder again. Let's close the folder and open the folder once again. Why does it go here only? So D drive React.js class, and inside this live search. No, still it's being downloaded. Okay, finally it's done. So now cd live search 1. Now npm start. And here let's go to src folder and just open app component.ts, and I'll be using here Bootstrap. So let's include here Bootstrap CDN. Just copy this one and let's go to its public folder inside this HTML, and then before this closing head tag, let's open this. Now once again let's go to app.js.component. Now let's do one thing. Let's remove everything from here and create our own tag. So I'll be using here class container, class name container, and then here div, and div class name row. Inside this div class name call md12, and here it's right here h2 live search. And again let's copy this row and paste here below, and we will create a search box here. Input input type text name equal to search and close input. And here let's create one more row here, and then ul then li list 1. For demo purpose, first we will keep here list 2 and 3. So this list will be coming when the user searches. Okay, so now let's see that how does it look like so far. Let's close it. Yes, so currently it looks like this. So when the user will be searching something, then the result will be showing here. So the next part will be to create here. Now let's create here one constant search and then set search equals to use state. And as you can see, automatically it gets called here use state hook, and initial value will be blank. And here let's create one function, say handle const handle change, then function here, and here let's pass key or event, then set search, and inside this e dot target dot value. And here in the text box, where is it? Text box here, value will be search, this search, and on click, actually on change, not click, because we will be typing on change, then handle change, that means this one. Now let's create the list of the data here. So we will be writing here const, then students, and here let's take an array, and here let's write name Rajesh, Neha, Abdul, Meena, Anthony, Christopher, and Daud. Okay, so these are the list of the names which we will be showing while user will be searching. Okay, and now once again here const search result, then set search result, and here once again use state, and inside this there will be blank array. The value will be blank array. And here, use state. Use state, then function, arrow function, actually it will be not like this. Use state will be like this and like this, and here it will be use state, not user state. Use state, use state. Use effect, actually use effect, no? Use effect here. For this one is for initial data loading, and here const result equals to students dot filter inside this. Let's take any, say person dot to lowercase dot includes, and then search terms. That means search this search. So this is the actual filtering will be done here based on the user search, user input. And here set search results, this one, so it will be something like this. So here will be set search result, that means this one, and results, and then so whatever data will be coming, it will be set to this search result, okay, which we will be calling here in this loop. We will be using here map later, and then here we will be using this array, and it will be set search. That means this will run only when this set search will be active. Okay, now so let me explain how does this work. So this is search, and it will come here when the user will type something, and finally the results will be stored in result, and this result will be stored here in search result, in set search result, and we will be calling this search result as a map here, and then here search result dot map, and then here item, not this one actually, item, this part will be inside this. Finally this curly braces will be ending here, and yes, this data will be changed to search, sorry, one not double, search result here. So here will be this item. Now let's check into the browser the action. So it says Search is not defined, so there is spelling mistake. Line number 4170. 4170. That means here SEEA search, and here as well SEARCH. That is right. It's saying search is not defined. Okay, so the list, as you can see, is displaying here, guys. Rajesh Karim. So now I would like to search here Mina. Okay, so it's not working somehow, so we need to check. Okay, there is one mistake. Actually it will be search, not search term. This search. Okay, so now let's try to search it. Let's do one thing. Let's make it autocomplete off. Auto complete off. AUTO. Autocomplete off. Yes. So if I search here DA, so whatever what it contains, you can see it's making search. Neha, so related to N, so whichever contains what N, then it is displaying here. Christopher, then uh, Kareem. So guys, as you can see, it is really very easy and interesting to make live search using React.js. So what we have done, let's recap it once again. This is the data array, simple array, and then we have used here UseEffect, UseState. So in case you are unable to understand this UseState, I have a separate video. Let me show you. Let me show you here. Tutorial raised.
Hi friends, welcome to tutorial.
In here, in a React.js series, I have a
Grammarly
separate
provides
video. UseState. UseState here. This is the video. UseState and also UseEffect. So in case you are unable to understand that what is the UseState and how the UseEffect works, then I recommend you to check these two videos before going into this. Okay, so this is the value and this is the function value function. So initial value is blank, and here in search result, since it's array, that's why the initial value will be blank here as well. And this is handle change. That means when user writes something, types something, the value will be stored here in search, set search. And then here the actual filtering is taking place using this use effect. This filter, then person to lowercase includes search. So whatever search will be made, then the filter will be made here, and finally the search result will be stored here. That means here. And finally the result we are calling here through this map function, and the result we are displaying here. So that's it. It's really very easy, and in the next video I will show you with Axios database API. So you don't forget to watch the next video as well. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Still, if you have not subscribed on the channel, then I request you to please subscribe, and also write your uh, valuable opinion into the comment box so that I can improve the video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.